Hello student, I am here to present IPMAT Rohtak analysis which was conducted on 26th of June, and after taking the exam you would be keen to knowing the cutoffs and what is the further selection procedure of IIM. So we will discuss each and everything in detail. So first of all, let me tell you what is the complete procedure that IIM Rohtak will be following for its IPMAT program. So the aptitude test that you have already appeared in will be given 45% weightage. Your past academics, that is percentage of class 12th and 10th, will be given 40% weightage. And finally, those students who are shortlisted on the basis of the aptitude test will be appeared in personal interview, and that will be conducted in online mode, and that is given 15% weightage. And the total intake this year is expected to be around 180. The result for aptitude test will be declared as mentioned on the website of IIM Rohtak in the first week of July. By the second week of July, online personal interviews will be conducted, and in the third week of July, they will be announcing the final list of the candidates who will be shortlisted. And the session is likely to be begin from August 22. Now, this was the paper. In all, there were 3 sections: quantitative ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Each comprised 40 questions, and a consolidated time limit of 120 minutes was given to you. And the marking pattern was +4 and -1. So negative marking was 25%. An ideal time that you should have given to each section would be like 45 minutes for quantitative ability, for logical reasoning 45 minutes, and for verbal ability it should be 30 minutes. An ideal attempt in QA section would be somewhere in the range of 24, for logical reasoning 28, and for verbal ability it should be 30. I'll discuss about the cutoffs also in the later stage, but before that, let us analyze the paper section by section. So if we talk about quantitative ability, the overall difficulty level of the section was moderate. The questions were neither very tough nor like few questions were easy and few questions were of moderate difficulty level, but like they were on the same pattern as expected, nothing surprised. So questions in number theory were based on divisibility rule, HCF and LCM. The questions in arithmetic were based on percentage, simple interest, compound interest, work and time, speed and distance, boats and streams, and there were few questions on geometry. So largely we can say that more weightage has been given to arithmetic. So like if you were well prepared in this area, you would have surely performed very well. If we talk about logical reasoning, the overall difficulty level was easy to moderate because most of the questions were based on identifying pattern like number series, alphabet series, coding, decoding. Few questions were based on these cubes and dice, paper folding activity, visual reasoning, blood relations, analytical reasoning, circular arrangement, and few questions were based on verbal reasoning, which were based on statement and conclusion, and also there were questions based on syllogism. So most of the questions were direct. Few questions involved solving. So this makes this section easy to moderate difficulty level. The verbal ability section was again of moderate difficulty level, and there were a lot of questions based on vocabulary. So if you have like prepared your word list thoroughly, then it was very easy to attempt at least 30 questions in 30 minutes time. So there were 3 RCs: reading comprehension. Questions were based on synonyms and antonyms, fill in the blank, idioms, analogies, arrangement of word in dictionary, identify the correct spelled word, jumbled sentences, and one word substitution. So this was about VA, and the overall cutoff that you are very keen to knowing the overall cutoff. So depending on like whatever the difficulty level, and I had a discussion with many students. So on the basis of that, I have suggested you the ideal attempt in a particular section and ideal time limit that should be allocated to the section, and the cutoff is likely to be 265. So if you are scoring 265 or more, then you can expect a call for the online personal interview. So this was about IPM Rohtak, and I hope that you'll perform very well in the next exam as you performed in IPM Rohtak, and your remaining exams like IPMAT Indore is on 2nd July, JIPMAT and Symbiosis is on 3rd July. So I wish you all the best for these exams. Thank you.